Christmas isn't too far away, but there's still time to make lovely stuff to decorate your home for the festivities. How about this lovely table runner project with Valerie, inspired by stuff fabrics? Or you could get everybody to help with the Yo-Yo Santa, which uses up scraps of wadding. Jenny Raymond also helps us decorate the house with a wonky 9-patch quilt, and Mandy Shaw tells us how to make these ever so cute cupcake pin cushions, which are not only useful but would make great gifts. Our knitting expert, Fiona Goebel, brings us this lovely rabbit-themed scarf to keep the winter chills away. And Valerie has some fun using some outsized knitting needles for her extreme knitting project, which won't keep out the cold, but does use up some more fabric scraps. This month, we are introduced to the super talented Sue Rhodes. We find out what inspires her, and she shares with us a great workshop using Thermofax printing to create some amazing designs. After Christmas Day, we thought you might like to sit down with a cuppa and enjoy our film, The Shipping Forecast, which features Delia Salter's remarkable textile art series. Inspired by the BBC Radio 4 daily information of the same name, essential information for all seafarers. And we complete December with a preview of a Jelly Roll mystery quilt series that we will be running daily in January. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.